Hello! I know we've been waiting for this video, so let's just get straight into it. Part 2 of making Toothless. Now, originally, the second part was supposed to be the head and the wings and the rest of the body, but the wings are gonna be really complicated. So today, we're just gonna focus on the wings. You're gonna need a full pack of black for this, so get ready. First, you're gonna start with 2 pipe cleaners. You're gonna line them up, and then you're gonna pinch it down and fold it into like an L shape. Once you have this L shape, you're gonna fold it up like this, and then down like this, so that it makes a shape just like this. Now you're gonna take another pipe cleaner and just wrap it around here to connect it. And this right here, this segment right here, is what we're gonna serve to connect it to the wings, to the body. Now I'm gonna explain very slowly on how to make this wing on this side. And then once I show you this step, just repeat it on the other one. You're gonna take 1 pipe cleaner, attach it at the base right here, wrap the tip in, and see how it can go right here after that. So once you have this segment attached, you're gonna wrap this right here once. Now you have the first segment of the wing done. Now you're gonna fold that piece down here and you're gonna wrap it around this part. Just like this. And for the last part, you're gonna bring this up right here and you're gonna attach it and just wrap it once, so that it looks like this. You're gonna wanna make sure that you're leaving enough space so that you can add the designs. Now this part's actually really simple. You're just gonna pinch small segments of it, and it should look something like this. Now all you're gonna do is take a pipe cleaner, and then each time that you wrap around, you're gonna fold a small piece just like this, and you're gonna very gently wrap all the way down the wings to fill it in. My bad, guys. I ran out of pipe cleaners there for a second, so I didn't actually get to finish the video, and then this is a couple months later, but let's finish this. So we have this wing filled out, and now we're just gonna go through and we're gonna wrap this up, and then we're gonna finish the rest of the wing, and then we'll be done. Once you have those wings filled in, you're just gonna wrap them around the body, and then you'll be complete with the wings. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and keep an eye out for part 3. Bye.